Learn English through immersion, basic and small text for beginners. Mark bought a new car last week. He's happy with his new car. He got a good deal on his new car. It was on sale. His new car is green. The full tires are black. His new car has 4 doors. It has 1 trunk. The spare tire is in the trunk. All new cars have a spare tire. His new car has 1 hood. The engine is under the hood. All new cars have an engine. His new car has 2 big seats. 1 seat is in the front. 1 seat is in the back. Mark sits in the front seat when he drives his new car. He always buckles his seatbelt. Word definitions: bought, comprou; deal, acordo; on sale, à venda; trunk, porta-malas; spare tire, step; hood, capô; engine, motor; seats, assentos; buckles, fivelas; belt, cinto;